Hi, my name is Sharon Coleman, and I am owner of a construction company, which is Coleman Construction. And I joined WREN because I do have some investment properties, but I bought one, held it, bought one, held it, and I don't want to just hold them and take years between properties. I want to continue to do it more often because I want more passive income. I'm new to WREN. I think I've been to like 3 meetings, and so this is my first really experience. This whole day was awesome. You learned a whole bunch of stuff. Way overwhelming. Have to debrief myself, but the good thing is in the book they put all the emails and all the contact information, so you will be able to contact the people that enlighten you the most and where you want to find out more information later. So that's the blessing of all of that.